in Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my life, my strength, and my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. I love this part. What height of love, what depth of peace, when fears are still, when striving never ceases, is my comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. That's why I will shout to the Lord, all the earth let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains, mountains bow down, and the seas will roll at the sound of your name. Oh, and I sing for joy at the oh my God. Hey, forever I will love you, and forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. Somebody lift your hand. Shout to the Lord. Shout to the Lord on the earth. Oh, now say,